Students, today I am here again for class 7. Class 7 chapter 1, already I have sent you a video where my topic was fiber to fabric. The chapter was fiber to fabric and my topic was life cycle of silkworm. Now your second chapter is acid, bases and salt. Class 7 subject chemistry, second chapter acid, bases and salt. Now my topic is indicators. Because acids and bases definition I am not going to say you here, that already you know, but for your reminder, or I can recall it so that you can remember it again. As per your standard, acid is a substance that is present around you which is sour in taste. Acids are those which are sour in taste. Acid word came from a Latin word that is called acidus. Acidus is a Latin word which means sour. So the acid word came from this word. Now this is all about acid. You know that lemon, oranges, these are sour in taste, so they are acids. What are bases? Bases are bitter in taste. Some substances are there which are bitter in taste and which are soapy to touch. They are sticky and soapy to touch. They are called bases. For example, your toothpaste, your soap solution, these are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. But is it possible that you will taste everything to find out which one is acid and which one is base? To find out that which is acidic or which substance is basic in nature, some chemicals are there which are known as indicators. So indicators, today my topic is indicators. What are indicators? Indicators are those chemicals which change color when they are added in acidic or basic solution. The color of indicator itself changes, and from that change in color we can understand that whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Now there are two types of indicators: natural indicators which are obtained naturally and commercial indicators which are obtained commercially. Natural indicators, some natural indicators I have written. Litmus is the natural indicator which is obtained from lichens. Litmus is obtained from lichens, a special kind of lichens which gives you litmus. Next one is China rose solution. What is the meaning of this? China rose flower, petals of those flowers, they are concentrated, the juice of the petals of China rose flower concentrated with water to give you China rose solution. Third one is red cabbage juice. Cabbage can be purple in color, so juice of that is red cabbage juice, that is also a natural indicator. Turmeric is the best natural indicator. Turmeric juice, turmeric solution, turmeric paper, these are natural indicators. Now these indicators have certain common color, original color. When I am going to put these indicators in acids or bases, their colors are going to be changed. Means indicators colors are going to be changed. From that we can conclude that which substance is acidic or which one is basic in nature. Commercial indicators are prepared in lab or scientifically prepared. These are not naturally available. First commercial indicator is phenolphthalein and second one is methyl orange. These are not available at your home, but you can get it in the lab, in the school laboratory. This phenolphthalein and methyl orange can be there. Now turmeric indicator. I want to say you something. I want to share you something. Today during your dinner or lunch, intentionally you put some curry on your dress, intentionally, without saying your mother. Okay. Now if you put some curry on your dress, after that if you are going to clean that using soap, have you seen that any change is there? Have you seen it? If you have not seen, then please do it today. You will find that when you will apply soap to your dress having curry solution in that, which is yellow in color, definitely it should be yellow in color, you will find a red color can be seen on your dress. So this red color, why it is that? The turmeric present in the curry, it acts as indicator. Soap solution is base. When you are applying soap on that curry, then the color changes to red. That means you can say that soap solution is basic in color. Turmeric changes its color to red in basic solution. This is my conclusion. So today you can do it at your home experimentally, and you can explain this to your mother also. She will be very much happy. Now, what are the original colors of the indicator? What are the color in acid? What are the color in bases? I am writing here in the tabular form that you can do or you can test. Litmus is actually, original color of litmus is purple. Original color of litmus is purple. When you are going to add litmus in acidic solution, the color will be red. And if you add litmus in base solution, it will be blue. Up to class 10, you have to remember this color change. Now there is a trick to remember. Many students, they are continuously doing mistake in that whether litmus will be red in acidic or in base it will be red. They do the mistake, they write that in base the color is red. The trick is base start with B, blue color start with B. So remember base blue, B for base, B for blue. Another color is red, so definitely acid is red. Up to 10 you will get questions from this. Second one is China rose solution. China rose solution. So original color of this one is light pink. Light pink is the original color of China rose solution. In acidic solution, what is the color? In acidic solution it becomes magenta. And in base the color becomes green. Now third one is red cabbage juice. Red cabbage juice. This is also purple in color or light pink you can write. What are the changes in color in acidic and basic solution? In acid it is red to pink. Red to pink. Sometimes red is, sometimes pink. In basic solution the color is green to yellow. Green to yellow. Some bases are strong bases, some bases are weak bases. So according to strong base and weak base, the color changes from green to yellow. In weak it is green, in strong it is yellow. Now next one is turmeric. Turmeric original color is yellow. Original color of turmeric is yellow. Just now I told that in base the color changes to red. In acid the color remains same, that is it is yellow only. In base the color becomes red. Now phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein original color is colorless, just like water. In acid the color is colorless. In base it becomes pink. Phenolphthalein becomes pink in base. Now last one is methyl orange.